Okay, welcome guys. For the demonstration purpose, I have created a geometry, simple geometry, and I have imported that into ANSYS mesh. So let us see the geometry. The geometry is a simple cube attached with this hollow cylinder. Let me show that. There is a hollow cylinder like structure. So if we simply mesh that, it will create a mesh with tetrahedrons. As I said, it created the mesh with tetrahedrons. So if we want to have this mesh with hex dominant, I have to use hexagonons. I have to use the mesh method, insert mesh method, and I have to select the geometry over here, and I have to change the method to hex dominant. If I give hex dominant, most of the elements will be converted into hexagonons. Now the mesh has been generated. Now as we have seen, the quadrilateral element has been changed in hex dominant. Most of the geometry, most of the elements are hexagonons. The main purpose of that option proximity in the advanced sizing function is, you can see the advanced sizing function. In the sizing option, you can see the advanced sizing function. There is an option called proximity. Let us see the function of that proximity. I am right click and zooming this wall. This wall is having only one element along its thickness. So this one element is not sufficient for most of the simulations, because there will be some temperature gradients or stress gradients. So in order to capture that, surely we need at least more than two elements. So for that purpose, the advanced function proximity solves. So if you on the proximity and do the mesh again, you will get a mesh which has three layers, because by default number of cells across the gap is 3. So we can also change the number of cells. If we give 5 numbers, you will get 5 number of elements over here in the along the thickness, but it will be more computationally costly. It will take more time to generate mesh. Also it will take more time to solve the problem in any solver. So we should be careful. We have to select the mesh size optimally. It will take more time. Let us wait and see the results. As we have expected, we got 3 number of cells across the thin wall. So this is the main function or main use of the option proximity. So the proximity option is useful only when we have thin walled structures in your geometry. Thank you.